So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to earn $50 by referring friends on Neo Financial. So if you're looking for someone that wants to sign up for a credit card, there's a way for you to share your link here, your referral code, and you can get $50, and I believe they get $25. So once you're on the accounts tab right here, go to the top right, press the profile icon, and then at the top, press on refer friend. Where it says earn $50 right here, when a friend gets an eligible Neo credit card, go ahead and see the drop down right here. So you can earn $50. They can earn $25 if you share this link with friends, and they can go ahead and sign up using a credit card. So just go to the bottom, press on share. If you're curious to what the credit cards look like here, so I'll just go to where it says find a card. These are the credit cards that are currently being offered by Neo Financial, all of which I believe are MasterCards here. So once again, go to the top right, press on refer a friend, and then learn all about sharing this link right here. You get $50 if they sign up for a Neo credit card. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to earn $50 by referring friends on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.